Welcome to Simple Coding, guys. In the last video we have covered what are the data types. So in this we are going to cover about integral data type. We have four data type here: byte, short, int and long. Let's see into it. So first we will take the byte data type. Byte data type is the 1 byte, that is 8 bit. So let's represent into boxes. Here we have 8 boxes. On the left hand side, the first bit is going to be our MSB, that is more significant bit. So more significant bit, let's see what is the position. So we will consider from right to left, that is 0 to 7. Now in the data type we have negative and positive value. So to get the range, what will be the negative or what is the lowest value and what will be the largest value. So to get the largest and smallest value, we have to follow the MSB here. So to get the negative value, to get the lowest value, we have to put MSB as 1, and while getting the highest value, a positive number, we have to put MSB as 0. So let's look into the smallest value and largest value. To get the smallest value, we have to consider the MSB as 1, because smallest value is going to be on negative side. And for the binary, we have only two numbers are possible, either 0 or 1. 0 is the lowest value and 1 is the highest value. So to get the smallest value or lowest value, we have to put 0 and taking MSB as 1. So we will take MSB is equals to 1 and rest all are zeros. Now MSB is set to 1 and rest are 0. Now position is going to be again 0 to 7. Now if we are going to represent into the decimal format, we have to follow the formula. Let's see how to calculate it. To get the formula, we have to write the base value. Here we are converting from the binary, so this base value is going to be 2. So we have to write 2 the power or 2 the raised to something. That power is going to be the positions. So here we will consider the position 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2 up to 2 raised to 7, because in case of 8 bit we maximum have 7th position 0 to 7. Now here the 2 raised to 0, anything raised to 0 apart from 0 to 0 is going to be 1. So 2 raised to 0 is 1. 1 multiplied with the binary value. Binary value is 0. So we will get 1 into 0, that is 0. And 2 raised to 1 is going to be 2. Multiply by 0, we will get 0. In this case, up to 2 raised to 6, we will get the value 0. But in case of 2 raised to 7, the value of 2 raised to 7 is 128. But here we are considering the MSB as 1, so that is going to be negative value. So here we will get minus 128 and rest all are 0. After adding, we will get minus 128. This minus 128 also can be written as 2 raised to 7, because the value is same. So we have the smallest value in case of data type, byte data type, that is 128, that is minus 128. Now let's look into the largest value. When we are considering the largest value, we are always going to look for the positive numbers. So positive number, to get the positive number, the MSB should be 0. And the largest value in case of binary we have 1. So MSB should be 0 and rest all are 1. Now I have mentioned 0 to 7 position. The 7th position, that is MSB, is going to be 0 and rest all are 1. So when we are doing the same thing, 2 raised to 0 is going to be 1. 1 into 1, that is 1. So up to 2 raised to 6, when we multiply with the same number, we will be get this value only, 2 raised to power. So up to 2 raised to 6 into 1, you will get the value. But in case of 2 raised to 7, when you multiply with 0, we will get 0. So after calculating, we will get 64, 32, 16. Then adding all those things, we will get plus 127. If you look closely, there is a difference of 1 in case of value. I am not talking about sign. In case of value, we have the difference of 1. So we can write 2 raised to 7 minus 1, because 2 raised to 7 is going to be 128 and the minus 1 for 127. And one more thing to be noticed here, when we are considering the 8-bit value, the first bit value, if you have 128, after adding rest of all, you will get minus 1. Okay. Now Now we got the byte range for the data, for the byte data type, that is minus 128 to plus 127. Let's see what we have done yet. For to calculating the byte data type, we have considered the 8-bit. In the left hand side, the MSB is there. To get the negative value or to get the smallest value, have set the MSB as 1 and rest all are zeros with 0 to 7 position. To converting into decimal, we have some rules. So to get that, we have to first see the base value. We have base value 2, then the power of positions. Now 0 to 7 position we have written, then only 2 to 7, that is position, is available. In this case we have negative value, so we will consider minus 128. After adding all those things, we will get minus 128 as the smallest value. But in case of largest value, we have to put MSB as 0 to get the positive numbers, and rest all are 1. Then after adding those, we will get plus 127. So plus 127 can be written as 2 raised to 7 minus 1. So here in this way we got minus 128 to plus 1. Now let's take into the short data type, in data type, and long data type. In case of short data type, we have the 2 bytes or 16-bit, that will be the double of the size of the byte data type. So here while doing the calculation in byte data type, we come to know that in case of byte we have 8 bits, so we have to go up to 7th position. Now in case of short byte, we have short data type, we have 16 bits, so we have to go up to 15 bit. So here in this way we will get minus 2 raised to 15 to plus 2 raised to 15 minus 1. And while calculating from binary to decimal, we will get minus 32768 to plus 32767. In case of in byte, in data type, we have 4 bytes is equals to 30 bits, which is a double of short data type. While 32-bit we can go up to 31 position, so we will get minus 2 to 31 to plus 2 raised to 31 minus 1. Now in case of long byte, long data type, we have 8 byte, which is 64-bit. We are going to go up to 63 position, so that is going to be minus 2 raised to 63 plus 2 raised to 63 minus 1. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.